The next experiment we're going to do is the two cans experiment. This one is really fun to trick people and really confuse them and get them thinking about Bernoulli's principle. For this one you need, of all things, two cans and a straw. Okay, so for this experiment you're going to take your two cans, you're going to lie them on their sides so that they are sitting about 1.5 inches apart. For this experiment, we're going to use a straw to blow air in between the two cans. I like to ask kids to predict what they think will happen with the cans when you put air in between the two. Remember that as the cans are sitting here on the table, all the air that is touching them, inside, outside, all around, is touching them with the same amount of force. So that's why they aren't moving. But when we introduce fast air and blow it through the middle of the cans, something's going to happen. Let's find out. The cans come together. Many kids predict that they will go apart, but science brings things together. And that's because this is an air pressure challenge, remember? The air on the outside is slow and strong, and the air in the middle is fast and weak. And they're having that pushing contest, and the slow, strong air is going to push them together. Our last experiment today is Bernoulli's bag. To do this, all you need is some sort of thin plastic bag, like a trash can liner. With this experiment, you're going to use air pressure to fill an entire trash bag with just one breath of air. This is a good one to challenge your friends to do, and they're going to do it wrong, but you'll do it using science and be very successful and wow them. So, we're going to create our faster moving air, again with a big breath and blowing into the bag. But we don't want to hold our bags right up to our mouth. We want to hold it away from us because we want the slow air around us to push inside the bag where the fast air is. Let's try it out. You see, in one breath, I could fill an entire bag. And that's because the fast air that I blew into the bag made all the strong air that's around us in the room chase that fast air in and fill the bag up for us. So very little of it came from our mouth. Thanks for experimenting with Bernoulli with us. We hope that you had fun, and we encourage you to keep going out, experiment, engineer, and keep aiming for the sky.